Hi everyone, I'm Mike with Paula Plumber. Today we're going to show a video on how to clean your ductless air filters on these mini splits. First, a little bit about ductless mini splits. They're a great use for somebody who doesn't have ductwork in their house. It provides individual room comfort and it provides the same level of comfort as a central AC unit would. They're also heat pumps, so if shoulder seasons you want to use it for a supplemental version of heat instead of using your main heat source, that's what these are perfect for. And it's actually running at a pretty high capacity right now, and you probably can't even hear it, unlike those bulky window units that would be screaming right now if they were running full blast. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do before we start cleaning this filter is we're going to shut it off. Another thing about these ductless mini splits is you're going to get a controller for each one in every room you put it in. So you can control the temperature through this, how high the fan speed is. You can put in economy mode, set different times for when you want it to be different temperatures. It's really useful. Right now we're just going to shut it off. Put it in the little socket there. Alright, so to remove the filters from these, you first got to lift these tabs up on the side here. You go up like this. You press it up all the way like that. Then you're going to see the two different filters in front here. You're going to use this arrow and just slide it out. As you can see, it's collected a fair amount of dust. This unit's only about 2 months old, but we have been doing some construction out here, so it's typically a little bit dirtier than you would expect a 2-month-old unit to be. However, it's a great idea to go in about once a month on these units and then just clean it off. And to clean this, we're just going to take a vacuum over it. We're just going to collect all the dust on both sides and then we'll slip it back in. It took about 5 minutes total to clean both of these, and now we can just slide them right back into the unit. I'll show you how to do that too. Alright, so you're going to use this arrow to guide you up there. Then you're going to go to the edge of this one side and you're going to slide it up and over and just kind of feed it back in. Slide this part under. So it's really important to make sure that you're cleaning those filters out. One of the great things about these mini splits is the filtration in them. It's something that you won't find in a typical window AC unit. These things bring in really clean air, but you just have to make sure that it's trapping all that stuff, but you want to keep it clean so it can continue to do that and let clean air flow through and not get stuffed up.